Warga Patisi TV.
Menteri Ketenat Kakoi Kakia Jong Sorka Jilla Uba Welat Mikishilla. Ulai thu baka Bhah ban Pule Doktor lani MBBS kadai kabaya katkum ka standard operating procedure lani ke SOP. Ulai thu baka Samla ka bawan hakmat nakathup jong ka ri khasi jantia ka jit manit Pule nak Bhah khasi jantia. Watla ka yo bandrung hakathup jong ka unreserved category ru. Henry Hadian balaya keren bagi seng phalang menteri uloong ban nakalian jong sarkar kila yo lat banya keren bat kata ka Samla ru bat kala Pdiang banit Pulino nak Bhah jong ka unreserved category namar baka marks jong ka khamhe bani ki wei pat ki barung ha ka unreserved category uba wei lat uloong baka ni ka kam menta lala ban penben.
You see, it means like since I think we should not only see about this year, but even the because this is quite common because every year there's something come up. But at least this year, one thing you can say that because of the SOP we formed, so I think in order regarding the allotment of seat, I think all the parent of the student who came for the counseling, they are quite happy because they got the seat means according to the merit. So no doubt there were some concern raised by some of the NGOs, especially from KSU and JSU. So we have called them, we have met them. So regarding one student who the topper in the reserve category, Khasi Jaintia. So she was supposed to be upgraded to this unreserved because her mark is higher to some of the candidates. So because in the SOP, so it is clearly mentioned, it is up to the candidate to choose because since she is qualified both in UR and reserve, so it's up to her to choose. So okay, at that time, at that particular moment, she said that she will stay in the Khasi Jaintia. So at that moment, so that's why we declared the list. So later on, then because of the concern raised by the NGOs, and then later on, she herself also called that she is ready to go to the UR. So today we call a meeting, and then from all of us, so we have come up, everyone were of the opinion since she is already agreed, then from the department also we have no issues. So I think by now everything is sorted.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.